Namaskar viewers, this is Dr. S.V. Ramarao, Principal Scientist working for ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research at Directorate of Poultry Research, Hyderabad. We are working on various aspects of chicken farming, both backyard as well as intensive poultry production. Here now I would like to discuss or share my views about certain issues of egg and chicken meat consumption. Recently, several misnomers or myths or false information is being provided through mass media or social media. So stating that egg and chicken production is not ethical. One thing is, chicken farming is highly scientific. Everybody is wondering how a broiler is weighing at 35 days more than 2 kg. How an egg is, one egg is produced every day. There must be some mischief that is being practiced, malpractice is being followed, so that's why they are getting very high production. But if you really scientifically, if you look at the poultry farming in our country is highly scientific, highly technical. So it starts with a development of a chicken variety with high production potential. In case of layers, we are getting almost 300 to 335 eggs in 365 days of age. In case of broilers, we are getting almost more than 2 kg at 35 days of age with feed efficiency of 1.5. So such a high production potential, how we are getting? It is, one thing is by developing birds for high production potential through selective breeding. That means we are selecting the population, the selective population from 1 lakh or 2 lakh of birds with high production potential, and those birds are being bred for developing a next generation. Like that, generation after generation, we are getting very high production potential. Once we have the bird with high production potential, naturally we have to provide the best environment in terms of feeding, in terms of health care, in terms of management. In intensive poultry farming, it's not a wonder if I am telling the feed which we are giving to the chicken, it is a blend of all the nutrients starting from energy, protein, essential amino acids, essential fatty acids, 13 vitamins, both fat soluble and water soluble vitamins, major minerals, all trace minerals, micro minerals, which are highly essential. By giving all these nutrients in a very highly balanced proportion, then only the performance of the bird is coming to the best. It's no wonder if I am telling, on meal-to-meal basis, as a human being, we are not able to consume such a balanced feed what we are giving to the intensively reared commercial broilers and layers. Best breed, best variety, and the best feed we have given. But what next we need is we are also giving the best protection from the viral as well as mycoplasma diseases from the chicken by giving almost close to 3 to 5 vaccines in case of commercial broilers, meat producing birds, and also we are giving almost 18 to 20 vaccines in case of commercial layers. So then only they are able to sustain or protect themselves from the viral diseases whenever it happens in future. The third and the most important thing is management. Unless the management is the best, they can't produce its genetic potential. management, which includes the providing a proper biosecurity. So once we visit any commercial poultry farm, you wonder how scientifically how the birds are being maintained by providing the proper biosecurity from the predators, wild birds, from trespassers, and even within the farm also the biosecurity is maintained to the highest level. So that means by having the good bird, by providing the best feed, by providing the proper healthcare vaccination, by providing the proper biosecurity, then only we are getting the best production. It is not like giving some steroids and giving some hormones or giving something mischief things. All those things are totally wrong, and we should not believe those kind of things. The commercial egg or commercial meat what we are getting is out of the lot of scientific and technical efforts they have gone into it, then only we got the best feed. So friends, I humbly request all the non-vegetarian people, don't have any prejudice about the safety and quality of eggs or chicken meat. It is a blend of all the excellent, not only protein which are helpful for building the muscles, so it is also a very good source of phospholipids which are required for development of the brain as well as spinal cord and also all the body tissues, and they are excellent source of vitamins and trace minerals which are essential for reducing the stress in our body and also enhancing the immunity, so that our body can fight with invading pathogens, either it is viral or bacterial. And please enjoy egg and chicken meat, and you please eat and provide to the kids and provide to the pregnant women and provide to everybody, those who are meat lovers or egg lovers, so that apart from increasing their body healthy, and also they can reduce their stress and they can also enhance the immune response in our body, so that we stay healthy forever. Thank you very much.